Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Note 56 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option Sound and Vibration. Then let's scroll and localize phone ringtone for first or the second SIM card. It depends for which you wish to change the ringtone. I will do it for the first one, so let me just tap on it. Basically the process is the same for the second one, of course. So here we've got the pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from Jugendjuice. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, you've got this option Add Ringtone here, which means that you can enter your own files, and if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere there. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you need to simply tap on it. So for example, this one, and maybe volume it down a little bit. Oh, so it's quite loud, so let me just turn off the volume, but you get what I mean, right? So let's pretend I would like to set this Safari as my ringtone, so just mark it, just tap on it and tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, and it basically means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.